guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K.DOLL. If you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're a returning subscriber, obviously welcome back to another video. So like the title says, today I'm going to be doing my updated everyday makeup routine. I've changed a couple of things from what I used to do, and I don't know if you can tell, but my makeup looks a bit different. So all the products I use will be in the description box down below. I did show you guys most of the products I used like throughout the video, but I'll have everything listed down below for you guys. I did do my hair on camera. I did the install on camera, but I didn't do the styling on camera. But if you guys want to see a detailed hair tutorial on how I style my hair, I just added some like layered curls, waves, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, if you guys want to see a detailed tutorial on how to install your wig, do baby hairs and all of that, then do comment down below and I'll do that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and turn on your notification bells so you know when I drop a new video. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I will have I'm gonna have an update video on what's been going on basically, because a lot has been happening. So I'm gonna have like a video updating you guys on what's been going on with me, life in Nigeria. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment and share. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. If you want more get ready with me, then do let me know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, so I'm going to start with installing my wig, and I'm going to use Got To Be spray. I like to use this because I don't sleep with my wigs on, so I take them off every night, hence why I prefer to use Got To Be, because it's easier to take off. I don't really think there's much to explain. I think it's just more of a watch and learn kind of thing. So I'm going in with my Got To Be spray, and then I'm using my blow dryer just to get the glue a bit tacky. I like to use the bottom of my comb to like really melt the lace into my skin. And yeah, I'm just basically gonna be going back and forth with my Got To Be spray and hair dryer, just trying to like lay my hair. As you can see, I'm using my tail comb to really press in the lace, because this helps like your lace melt into your skin well. And I'm going to clean off all the excess Got To Be spray when I am done doing my hair, so don't worry about that. My friend was being annoying and distracting me while I'm recording. But anyways, I'm just trying to tie my hair back and lay my frontal. So while I'm doing my makeup, that is setting in place. So now I'm going to start my makeup, and all the products I use will be in the description box down below. Now I'm going to go ahead with using my primer. This is just to give me a very smooth base for my foundation. Next I'm going to be using is my matte illuminator. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows, and I'm using this brow pencil. It's a random eyebrow pencil I just got from a shop. And then going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. This is one of my best concealers. I've tried other ones, but I really still love Fawn, and it's an OG concealer, so yeah. I'm then gonna go in with concealer to clean up my eyebrows and pat it onto my lid. One thing I do like to do now is to go in with a very good, like a thick layer of concealer and pat it on. I like to be generous with my concealer, so I go in with a generous amount of concealer and really like pat it on, and then blend it with a fluffy. I'm then going to go in with my Nars foundation. I love this foundation. It's one of my best. It's full coverage, and I'm going to mix it with my Fenty Beauty because I like both of them together. It gives me like the perfect coverage. I find that me using my Nars and Fenty together, they work so well together, and it gives me like the perfect look, just how I like my foundation and base to look. So it covers, but then it also gives me a natural look. It's not too caked on. And then blending my foundation into my neck as well. Always remember to blend your foundation down to your neck, especially if you have like discoloration. Like if your face is probably lighter than your neck, or your neck is lighter than your face, then yeah, you want to blend everything in so it looks good. I'm then going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer on my under eyes. Like I said, I like to be generous with my concealer because I find it makes my makeup look better. I then soak my beauty blender in setting spray. You want your beauty blender to be wet, so you can either drench it in setting spray or water. I decide to use setting spray, and I'm really taking my time to pat the concealer upwards. Like I said, I have changed. This is my updated foundation routine, or rather makeup routine. So I do some stuff differently now. I like to blend my concealer upwards and drag it out. So as you can see, I'm really like pulling my concealer upwards, so I blend it upwards, if that makes any sense, and into my nose as well. You want to really take your time with this and just blend till you can't see any harsh lines. I'm now pushing my concealer into the sides of my nose because that is going to help me have a nice snatched contour look when I'm ready to contour my nose. After setting with my Sacha buttercup powder, I'm then going to go in with my concealer. I have the name of the exact color, but this is from the MAC concealer palette, and I'm using the darkest brown there to just contour my nose. I've sort of found a way that I find like when it comes to contouring and your nose, it just depends on what works for you and the shape of your nose. This is what I found works for me. So it gives me a nice look, a nice snatched look. I'm then going in with the same shade to contour my sides and blend up. You always want to blend your contour upwards, not down. You want to blend it upwards to give yourself a nice chiseled look. I'm then going to go in with my MAC blush. For me, blush is a very big part of my makeup routine, and now I've been loving it even more. So I put a bit of blush on my nose as well, just to give me a nice cherry look. and then I go in with my highlighter after. Can you see how melted that lace is? What lace? So now I'm gonna highlight my nose, do my eyebrows, but just like a very soft highlighter, not anything too much. So I'm like really blending it in and then going in with my MAC setting spray. And I'm just gonna wait for all of that to melt into my skin. So I'm just brushing my hair out and I'm gonna go off camera to style my hair. So guys, I'm using a black eyeliner to line my waterline. And I like to close my eyes to do it because it's just easier. I went off camera to do my hair just to save me time, but if you want to see how I styled my hair and did my curls and baby hairs, then do comment down below and I'll be sure to do that. So now that that's done, I'm going to go in with my lip liner. I don't know what brand it is because it's faded off. I'm going to line my outer lips with this and then go in with my pink nude lipstick and lip gloss. And now I'm going to line my lips again. I'm just going to go over it with my NYX lip liner and go in with my gloss again. And we're done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more beauty related videos, comment down more video ideas, content you guys want to see. And except from that, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.